So hi guys, this is the deployment of detecting the running faucet project on Raspberry Pi. So this is the Raspberry Pi, and it is I have connected it via SSH with this tablet, and it is connected with the mic, which will record the audio of the running water, and it will detect the person. It will detect the sound of the water falling, and it will find out how much percentage it is able to detect. So we'll start the program. It will take some time to initialize. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the faucet is showing 2.23 percentage. So it is actually detecting noise, and the noise percentage is 97.77. And right now the faucet confidence, which it is confusing with the noise, is 16%. And now we'll turn on the water and see how it goes. Okay, it is detecting 89% as faucet running water. As I do it more, I'm going to make the water run slowly. Let's see how much it is detecting then. I'm going to turn this off slowly so we can see how the percentage is varying. Yeah, there are some false positives. Yeah, now it's back to zero noise, so it's in silence. Yeah, so there are still a lot of improvement needs to be done. Not lot of negative sounds have been trained. We haven't trained this model on not lot of negative sounds, so that's why it's picking 2.23% as silence as faucet confidence. So yeah, there is still some room for improvement. For now, yeah, this is it. Thanks, guys.